Alright, we're just about done. We have just our last steps, basically. We have our right angle here of our next triangle. And basically we just got to make a congruent triangle of this one up here. So what we're going to do is, again, we are going to just copy those segments there. So we're going to copy AB. So I'm going to open up my compass setting to the length of AB. Come up here and make that mark. So that part here is now going to be here. So let's call this point here D. And let's call this one here E. And we're going to do the exact same thing above. Mine actually is going to intersect in that one spot almost where I had it before, but that's okay. Let's call that F. As long as we can see all the construction marks, that's what matters. Connect E and F here. And since we know we copied those segments there, I'm going to show myself a nice big old congruent segment markings there. And there we go. I have created a copy of that picture on our Week 8 homework. Please review these videos as they will be helpful for you. All right, thank you very much.